Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And boy, we got some big news for you today. We got it. Yep, Black Friday has officially been announced over at the Home Depot. It is landing November 1st. Yeah, I told you, they were playing a big deal. They were playing the whole month kind of thing. But here's the weird thing. They have not leaked their Black Friday flyer. And I think the reason being is they're trying to drag this out. They don't want people to be sitting there going, well, I'm going to wait until the last week kind of stuff. These are deals starting now. As you can see there, it's savings start soon, check back soon. Well, that's the first. Today is the 27th. We're within, spit distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's Monday, folks. Monday is your Black Friday deals laying at the Home Depot. But the thing is, in some of the stores, it started already. So let's talk about what's going on, because it is kind of crazy what is going on over at Big Orange. Now, this is some posts. I got to say, huge shout out, huge thank you to all the folks over on the Den of Tools Facebook group. If you're not part of that group, you're really missing out. Anyway, we've got all sorts of photos from all sorts of stores around the U.S. here. Here's some. Tom got some great shots here from his local store. As you see here, they've got everything set up. They've got it all unboxed, just taunting you, but you cannot have it yet, because at their store, they're not doing this until November 1st, as they were told. He's even got one of these great little pics where you can pan around and we can see everything. Look at that. You can see the Ryobi deals. You can see the Dewalt deals. I know it's a little bit out of focus, but you can get the idea. There we go. They got all those great little Dewalt packs, the bear loves. There's our Milwaukee deals, the Makita stuff, all that. And you can see the pods on the floor. Clearly seen here, Gift Center, 11/1/21. All right, so let's keep going on. Let's see what else we got here from the guys down there. We got Don post this. We're talking about this Milwaukee pack-out system, and this is what they're doing, and I think this is going to be a theme. Yeah, and it's not a great theme, and that basically is slightly downsizing what the typical deal is. So this is the new $200 pack-out system here. Instead of getting the traditional one where you get the 3 boxes, you're getting the 2 boxes and the milk crate instead. This is a value, what do they call it? Value price adding or adjusting. It's basically cheaping out. You can call it cheaping out. We're going to see this across the board. They're going to still hit those same price points, but everything's going to be a little bit less than it was in previous years. So we got the pack out there. There's your $200 pack out system, if that's what you're going for. If you like that $45 milk crate, it's a cool milk crate. It says Milwaukee on it and everything, right? Let's see what other kind of deals we're seeing over there. How about this? $59.97. We've seen this one before. This is the super budget ratchet from Husky. Is it the best ratchet out there? No, not by a long shot. But if you're looking for a budget 12-volt ratchet, something to just get some work done, it was $89, marked down to $60. That's not a bad deal to grab. I know some people who had this thing. They say it worked okay. It lasted a year or so for basic kind of moderate use. Maybe I can see that. I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you've had this, if you've tried it, do you think it's worth the $60? All right. Oh, by the way, it's a 2-in-1 if you read the fine print. Power torque up to 30 foot-pounds or manual torque up to 150. Two-in-1. You're one of the ones. All right, the power cubes. Okay, not power, but these are the tool cubes we've been talking about. I said we're going to start seeing the $100 cubes from everybody. Husky's got them on the floor, $99 there. 270-piece mechanics tool set. Is it going to be the best one? Well, we're going to do a video here coming up hopefully soon here where we're going to compare all the different, tool cubes and sets that are going on sale over the holidays here. All right, how about this? We got the Dewalt. We showed you this one the other day. There's a whole rack and stack of those Dewalt T-lock boxes there, the compartment boxes. I love those things. All right, Trent's got us more pics of the Husky boxes there. They're everywhere. Every store seems to have them. Jonathan's got us a pic of the new Gearwrench system. Here's another one, $69.97. These Gearwrench ratcheting wrenches. These guys, they're the ones who made their bones on ratcheting wrenches. Great company, great tools. I have a set very similar to this, but mine's a 20-piece set, not the 18-piece set, and I paid the same price, and I bought that earlier this year. Again, they're cutting a little bit of a cost here, removing 2 wrenches, same price. I think this is going to be a theme here. And here's another one. The Husky, this is the toolbox. We all know every year that there was a $300 9-drawer toolbox. Well, this is the 10-drawer, and I got to say, I do like this setup a little bit better, but one of the things you got to keep in mind is this is only a 42-inch box, not a 46-inch box. Now, granted, the Huskies are deeper than like the Yukons and the other ones, but still, they're downsizing there. Now they're doing this at $298 each, 42-inch actually I take it back. This is an 18-inch deep box. They're shaving off. I do have to say, though, I like this layout better than the 9-drawer. I do. Maybe, what do you think, down below? Are you happy with this? Do you like this system better? I'd honestly almost be willing to lose the 4 inches to have the more compartmentalized kind of the variable drawer sizes like that. All right, and then I got to think huge thanks to Audubon Dan over on the Instagrams, man. You got to check him out. He's also got a YouTube channel. I'll show you that in just a second. Anyway, he sent me a bunch of links here, or two pics of his local Home Depot here. You can see the Ryobi deals. We got $89 there on the drill driver, $89 on the recip saw, $89 on the impact, $89 on the mini circ saw, or you can get the combo deal, the 18-volt compact brushless 2-tool combo kit for $129. And of course, they've got their little packs of bits and whatnot as well there. Now, remember the HP series, those are the brushless tools as well. The only thing I don't like about the HP series is they don't come with HP batteries. That doesn't make any sense. All right, here we got the Dewalt. I love those Dewalt, bit driver packs there. The Atomic, I think this might be one of the best go-to deals if you're looking to go into black and yellow. The Atomic combo kit. You're getting the drill driver, you're getting the impact driver, you're getting 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. Both of them brushless for $149. That's a fantastic deal. Oh, and here's the other big deal. I know we're going to see lots of blowout deals on the M12, and I'm totally excited about it because M12, I know has previously been aimed at the professional market and stuff like that, but a lot of DIYers are catching on that for the high-end pro game, home gamer kind of thing, I should say, prosumer home game, that this is a great option, small compact tools, reasonable prices there. You see your choice. 3 sets there for $99. We got a $159 one-hand recip, $179 multi-tool, $200 gets you the installation tool, or the the high-speed ratchet, the fuel. I believe it is the fuel. Both of those are the fuel, as a matter of fact, there for $200. That's a great deal right there. And then, as you can see there from his store, they're showing do not enter. They're setting it up, they're teasing you, but you notice there that says 1025. So some stores were showing 1025. Some stores were showing 11-1. Now check this out. First of all, I want to say thanks again to Audubon Dan. Be sure to check out his channel there. So Joe the Tool Guy sent this over. This is his local store from, I think it was today or yesterday. He's talking to his folks. Guess what they're saying? They're afraid that their signage team, their setup team, may walk because of what they're having to go through. They're completely understaffed. They're not the only store. I talked to my store. Those guys, when I talked about staffing and stuff, just rolled their eyes. They're like, we can't hire anybody to save our lives. We're all having to work basically around the clock. It's ridiculous. 1025. This was supposed to be out on 1025. It's still behind the gates. They're like, no, we're not ready. We don't have it set up. This could be complete chaos. As I said, get your deals now while you can. There we see the rigid stack system for $119 we talked about. The Dewalt, there's the Dewalt Tough System stack at $149. $149. Oh my gosh. Now, we also got some of the Husky stuff. You're going to see all these hand tool deals. There's going to be a ton of hand tool deals. We got the Husky one here right in front. Look back there. That's a $100 Milwaukee Socket Set. Now, I'm not a huge fan of them, not because of quality. I just don't like the ergonomics of the Ratchet, and typically they're overpriced at $100. That's not exactly overpriced, and if it's a decent socket set, I might bring my own Ratchet. That might be something to consider. So moving along, check this out, $1488 Now you're like, well, typically these things are $10 for these packs when they're a good deal, but this comes with the right angle there. So you don't have to buy yourself a separate right angle drill or something like that. And if you do, that's great. I have one. I rarely use it, but I tell you what, when I need it, boy, I'm sure glad I have it. But in this case, it's smaller, it's more compact, and you don't have to go grab a separate tool for it. 36-piece max fit screwdriver set with right angle, $14.88. Here we got, look at this, check it out, Milwaukee coming through here. We got $14.97, your choice, 2-pack on the 25-foot compact wide blade tape measures. This is what I'm excited about, the 2-pack on the 7-inch rafter squares, and you get a 4.5-inch trim square with it. That's a pretty cool deal. Or you can get a couple of the fastback knives. I know a lot of people like the fastback knives, but I'm sorry, I'm not going back to a full-size knife after I got me my Work Pro little slim knives. I love those things. Anyway, there's that high-speed ratchet I was showing you before, the fuel, and you can see the assembly tool there to the left, screwdriver kit kind of thing. And here we go, Husky ratcheting wrench. Now, this is a 30-piece. Husky makes some decent hand tools, okay? Are they top-line professional stuff? No, but for a home gamer, a 30-piece ratcheting set there, you get the large, you get the stubbies with it for $60. That's a one-and-done kind of solution. Anyway, be sure to check out Joe the Tool Guy. I have to thank him for that. So, folks, what we're looking at here is you need to be checking out your Home Depot, all right? Or I will say this, order online when you can. If you can get the deal online, order it online. If you want to fight through the store, fight through the store. But there's so many stores that are dealing with, are they going to be set up? Are they set up and live now? Are they going to go live on the 1st? Are they going to have everything ready to go live on the 1st? I'm expecting there could be some really nasty, chaotic scenes going on at the old Home Depot on Monday. I'm torn between going to just see the show or just staying at home to avoid it. Although in my case, up here in Montana, people are a bit more civilized. Doubt we'll see that kind of chaos over in the old Bozeman area. But man, I kind of wish I was down in Vegas for this because it might be, a sight to see. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is there anything here from Home Depot that you are just dying to see? Maybe set some time aside on Monday afternoon. Maybe take an extended lunch and head over to the Big Orange and see what they got. Let me know what you think. Put it in your comments down below. Don't forget to chomp the old like button. Smash the subscribe. Ring the bell on your way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.